Hi everyone, welcome back to Robinson's World. In today's video, we are going to create a simple but super useful tip calculator in Python. This project is perfect for beginners who want to practice working with basic arithmetic operations and user input in Python. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's begin by setting up the basic structure of our program. We will start by asking the user to enter the total bill amount, the tip percentage they want to give, and the number of people who will be splitting the bill. So I'll create a new project, new file. Here we use input to get the necessary information from the user. We convert the bill amount and tip percentage to float since they can be decimal values, and the number of people to integer because it will always be a whole number. Now that we have the user input, let's calculate the tip amount and total amount including the tip. We will also calculate how much each person should pay if they are splitting the bill. In these three lines, we calculate the tip amount by multiplying the total bill by the tip percentage divided by 100. We then add the tip amount to the total bill to get the total amount. Finally, we divide the total amount by number of people to find out how much each person should contribute. Next, we will display the results to the user in a clear and concise format, showing them the tip amount, the total amount, and the amount each person should pay. We use formatting strings to display the result. The :2f formatter specifier ensures that the amounts are displayed with 2 decimal places, which is common for currency values. This makes the output user-friendly and easy to understand. Let's see the full program in actions. I will be entering a sample bill amount, tip percentage and the number of people to show you how the tip calculator works. So enter the total amount of say $100, tip percentage 15, people, number of people 3. Total amount is 115, tip amount is $15, each person should pay 38.33. $200, say 10 percentage, 2 people. So tip amount is $20, amount total amount is 220 and each person should pay $110. As you can see, the program calculates the tip, the total amount including the tip, and how much each person should need to pay. It's a simple yet practical tool that you can use in real life scenarios, like when you are out dining with friends. Before we wrap up, here are a few ideas on how you can customize and expand this program further. You could add error handling to make sure users enter the valid numbers. And there you have it, a fully functional tip calculator built from scratch in Python. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Robinson's World channel for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.